Hey everybody, this is Dan Lugo, and I'm here to introduce you to an exciting new platform that we have for our live stream services. A lot of you have been joining us on livestream.com. Well, we are moving to GracePeople.Live. And the neat thing about this, why we wanted to move here, is we really appreciate the engagement that we get, the opportunities we have to connect with everyone on a Sunday. But we know we've been having some login features. So one of the huge benefits about this platform is the ability to chat without having to log in. You don't need any login, which is really great. We'll show you some more features such as live prayer, some links to our website, and some other things. So let's go ahead and get started. Boom, here we are. All right, so this right here is, if you were to type GracePeople.Live, here we go. You'd be at this page. It looks very similar to the live stream page. Up here, you've got our logo. New here, these will take you to pages on GracePeople.church on our website. And again, this is GracePeople.Live. And you'll see there's resources for help during COVID-19. There's a giving tab right here, so you don't need to type it in separately. You can click it there, and it'll open up a new window for you, and also a way to connect with us at the website. Over here, when you get here, you just have to hit play. And sometimes it's muted right down here. So what I have right now is a replay from this past Sunday's service. This is from May 10th, and Kevin was preaching this week. You may need to unmute it.
Home today, as we have been for these several weeks during our quarantine. But no matter how it is that we are receiving God's word.
So once you do that, you'll be able to hear. I'll just let that play while I give you a look around the platform and different things that you might see. So down here on the right-hand side, this is the chat feature that I was talking about. Good morning, everyone. Isn't it a great day? Boom. And it pops up right into the chat. Now, I already have input a nickname for myself, but that's all it's going to ask you to do. It's going to ask you to put a nickname as soon as you type, so you can put Ted or Marlene or Joyce or whatever. You just type it right in there, and then your chat will pop up. If you hear something you like, you can hit the heart button. Yeah, I love Pastor Darren. Down here, you have the chat tab, but you've also got a couple other tabs. Let's say you don't like seeing the chat, but it's there. Well, you can even open up a Bible, and it'll pop up an instance of the Bible. And so let's say that you are trying to get to, we're going through the book of James, so we're going to click on that, James chapter 1, and here we are. And so you can just have the Bible open during the service, and you can follow along. We've also got over here down on the right a schedule of the next few events coming up, and then you can go back to the chat if that's where you want to be. Another function that is really great is this opportunity for live prayer. When you click on this live prayer feature, it'll send you here, someone will be with you shortly. Somebody else on the back end in our user area, we'll see how this video turns out. Somebody else will be able to accept that and respond to you. Hi, Lugo testing. How can I pray for you? So this is something. Boom. And then all of a sudden, you're in a specific chat with a person. So Dan Lugo, the host, has joined the chat. How can I pray for you? My hair is too long, needs prayer. All right, so that's how you do it. They'll be able to chat privately. You can go back to the public chat, to the private chat, and when you're done with the prayer chat, you can leave right there. If you go to the website during the week, the prayer that you will see, hi, Shunemans, the prayer that you will see is it'll say request prayer, and then it'll take you to a form that will send you to the site. To play and pause, you can hit play. This comes from our livestream.com site, so you'll still see some of the options and links up here, and just ignore those. That's the best thing I can say. Ignore those up there. If you need to start and stop, just click anywhere in the picture there, and then down here, like I said, that's the mute and unmute function. If you want to go full screen, Boom! You can do that too. Click on the center and play.
At about 10:05,
and we are rolling. Again, that is the full screen feature right down here. Okay, so hopefully that gets you familiar with GracePeople.Live. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the church. We'd be glad to help you out. All right, continue to be and make disciples. We love you, church. Community of Grace, we'll see you soon.